Hey guys, Factory Kia here with a 2013 Hyundai Sonata. Just something to tell you guys. The compressor went bad, it's no good. It looks like it's still good, but I'll tell you why it's not here in a second. The UAC compressor that you will find for a lot cheaper does not have an anti-drain back valve in the same spot as the original. There's a little spring right there because it's a low slung compressor. It is a Hyundai patented design. UAC cannot use it, so they put theirs further down on the inside, so don't be worried about that. I talked to the technician this morning about it. So this is a direct drive compressor. That means it does not have a magnetic clutch. If you feel the aftermarket or the good one, it has a little resistance. The new one spins very freely, and I'll show you what to look at on it. To see if it's no good, you look at the inside of the bearing, and while you turn this thing, forgive me, I took the screws off of this, the inside does not turn. The inside of this one does turn with it. So this guy is actually made to fail, so it doesn't drag the belt, cause a fire. You take the outside off, you can see where the aluminum pieces turn the other aluminum pieces here, and this is the designed failure point so the belt can keep turning. It is locked up. It is no good on the inside. So that's the way you can tell. This will still turn. This will turn with it, but the inside here does not turn. And that is a broken pieces of aluminum because the center is frozen up. So I've been told don't be afraid. When you go to replace this, there is an internal anti-drain back valve on the inside of this. Add the correct amount of oil, drain this one out, subtract it from, I think it's 4.06 ounces. I'm not entirely sure, but hope this helps somebody. The new style direct drive non-magnetic clutch compressors can be a little interesting. There is the variable rate with the swash plate on the inside instead of the plug that goes to the front. That's how you can tell the two separate ones, or the two different kinds that were available. Again, a little bit different. They're actually a pulse width modulated signal instead of a 12-volt signal in the front. I hope this helps somebody out. It's been a definite learning experience for me. Just remember one other thing. If this thing freezes, it's likely shrapnel and sent stuff through the rest of the AC system. You cannot flush a new designed parallel flow condenser. You have to get a new one. I would do expansion valve, flush the rest of the system, and put a new condenser in it along with this and the correct amount of oil charge, and you should be good to go. Hope this helps, guys. Bye.